Hi everyone, this is Arshia. Welcome to the Horticultural Updates. So today's updates on the fruit science. We'll come to know some of the amazing research which has been done by the different institutes. So we'll start with the crop pomegranate. So we all know in pomegranate the major problem is stem blight. So almost 90% of crop loss has been recorded this monsoon. So it is basically caused by the bacteria Xanthomonas oxynopodis. Then apart from the damage, early recognition and taking proper measures is very important. Keeping that in mind, the scientists in Solapur, they are working on the stem solarization. So basically we know about the soil solarization where we use the thin transparent film over the soil and maintain the temperature up to 40 degrees centigrade for 4 to 8 weeks, so that the soil will get sterilized and soil borne diseases will be decreased. So similarly, this procedure is done to the stems of the pomegranate plant so that the bacterial disease should be reduced. When the scientists have found that many of the pomegranate plants are having resistance over the bactericides and antibiotics, so currently they are working on the bacteriophage therapy. So now it is in vitro trials. So soon it is going to be introduced in the field trials too. So if we talk about the pest of the pomegranate, new species of the mealybug, that is Nippococcus viridae, has been found causing almost 40 to 50% of the crop loss, and along with that green southern green sticky bug. So this particular pest is especially attacking the tender shoots and leaves and causing 5 to 8% of the crop loss. And a new pest, that is click beetle, which is found to attack the roots of the pomegranate, and the severe infestation is in also found in the protected cultivation. These are the pests which are majorly attacking the pomegranate. And now if we move to the crop guava, so there are three main varieties of guava have been released. That is Lal Bahadur, which has been released from the Anand Agricultural University, which is believed to have the red flesh, and IARI has released the two important varieties of the guava. One is of red flesh, that is Pusa Arushi, and one is the extreme white variety, white flesh variety, that is Pusa Pratiksha. And now if we talk about the banana crop, so we know the most popular variety of the banana is Grand 9. So it is popular due to its tissue culture purpose. So now it is found to be the mutant and having the resistance towards the Fusarium wilt. So if we talk about the pest, what are the new pests now being added in the banana crop? So that is bagworm. So bagworm basically is showing the very severe infestation in Tamil Nadu. Almost all 108 germplasms have been attacked, and along with that, Spodoptera frugipetra is also showing the severe infestation, as it is an invasive pest, but still it is completing its whole life cycle in the banana plant and feeding the whole plant. And now for the first time in the ornamental banana, that is Musa laterata, major pest is areophyte mite infestation is very high. So this is about the banana pest which are newly now added in banana crop. And now talking about the papaya, the most interesting crop. So we know papaya is propagated by seeds. So now the scientists in IIHR Bangalore, they are working on standardizing the vegetative propagation in papaya. So basically what they are doing is they are detopping the 5 months papaya crop. So in the process of detopping, after that they are spraying some of the plant growth hormones. So by the combination of benzyladenine of 100 ppm along with the gibberellic acid GA3 of 200 ppm has shown very good results in lateral shoot development. Within 2 months they have seen the drastical growth in the lateral shoots. So now what they are doing is that they are taking those lateral shoots and performing the wedge grafting. They have done the two types of grafting, that is wedge grafting and side grafting. Over the 71% of success is seen in the wedge grafting when compared to that of side grafting. Only 31% of success has been seen. So now they are continuing this wedge grafting as a major vegetative propagation in papaya. So they also have done some field trials and they have noticed that this particular wedge grafted papaya within 2 months of grafting is showing the very dwarf growth along with the shorter internodes and giving high bearing within the 2 months, whereas the seedling papaya is still in the vegetative stage after the 2 months. So now we'll end with a knowledge of new formulation. So Arca mealy melt. So this particular formulation has been released. So what this Arca mealy melt? Actually in papaya the serious problem is the mealy bug. So that will reduce the fruit quality. So this Arca mealy melt formulation is believed to solubilize the waxy coating over the fruit and also increase the fruit quality. So this has been now newly commercialized. So here what I want to end with the fruit updates. We'll be back continuing this next week. Until then, stay blessed.